ELINS Technologies presents NetObox, ELINS Technologies IoT solution. NetObox. NetObox, it is an IoT-based telemetry control and monitoring system which can be used to switch home appliances and industrial devices from any place on the globe. It makes use of internet to receive and send control codes. Control codes are stored and accessed via cloud server. This ceiling light is connected by using NetObox Elins IoT solution. This is a web control panel on the Elins cloud server. Switching of this ceiling light can be performed by using this IoT ecosystem. Even the status of the device is mentioned on the web panel. This light can be controlled by anyone across the globe with internet in his device. This is IoT innovation. This NetObox kit can be used to automate industry or home by using Internet of Things concept. It is Elins Technologies' proprietary development for IoT-based solutions. For industry, contact us to automate your premises with this new concept of IoT where you can control and monitor your devices remotely even from different continent. For scholars, students, you can buy this development kit and we will teach you how to create a product by using it. You need not to pay for training, it's free. For institute, colleges, can include this kit in their IoT research lab and in your curriculum. You can buy this development kit and we will teach how to create a product by using it. Contact us at elinstechnologies@gmail.com, NetObox, Elins Technologies IoT solution.